This video will show you how to organize and store food in your fridge. Use plastic or glass containers with lids to store your food in the fridge. You can also use foil or plastic wrap to cover food. Put your fruit and veggies in the drawers in your fridge. Fruits and veggies do not need to be covered or wrapped unless they are cut or cooked. The bottom shelf of the fridge is the coldest spot. Put your uncooked meat or fish on the bottom shelf. The top shelf and the door are the warmest parts of the fridge. Use them to store food you will eat soon, like leftovers or your lunch for the next day. Put ketchup, mustard, sauces, and jams on the top shelf or in the doors. Your dairy products like milk, yogurt, and butter can go on the middle shelf of the fridge. For more instructions on household cleaning and more skills, download the MagnusCards app. For more practice, follow the How to Organize and Store Food in Your Refrigerator card deck in the MagnusCards mobile app.